I know absolutely nothing about cooking, but what I do know is that I want better for me and my family, and that means starting to learn things from scratch. So, although I have no idea what I'm doing and I am just mocking off of a TikTok video that I came across, I feel like this shows you a realistic view of what it looks like to try something new, even though it does intimidate you. You'll need 3 cups of flour, a cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 cup of oil. You're going to mix this together and knead it for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then allow it to cool for about 30 minutes. At that point, you can then take your little balls and flatten them into what a tortilla would look like and throw it over some medium heat until it is desirable on both sides. Self-love shows up differently in, your day-to-day life. To me, it showed up in the form of tortillas today. I took the time to learn something new that interested me, and I followed through with it.